Alright guys, this will be new system test 6. It's been a while, I've taken too long, but as you can see I got some new stuff here. The Jackson Inn Man Cave Musematic Archives, I guess as I would call it. Including this right here, NMRA magazines, which usually only National Model Railroader Association members could get, but 1968, 74, and 1980 editions from the Elkhart Railroad Museum. This is really cool anyways. Same old over here, but then this is right here now. It's set to 120 beats per minute march time with the 425120, which hasn't fully worked since 2013 from that year period when I had stuff I no longer do. Slater ElevatorRailAlarmFan collection shelves in here. And I had to put that Simplex Gentex rebranded strobe do right there to test her out. So we're going to pull the evacuation alarm pull station. I had my jamming fun. We'll get to that scene in a minute. I'm going to trim that out. Do it all the way from here. And if we walk onto the other end, this is 3,520 square feet. Listen. You can hear it from there, from here. You can just hear it from under my mom's room here. There's my cat right there. Hello. This is very loud. We're going to do a few coding options here. And it's 90s panels, you have to understand, and it's harder nowadays to get a battery charging cable. And with that, no battery backup right now. '76. I want to say this is the one I'm going to want set to code 3. Enter mode 6676. Enter. Now I'm going to take, I should have put, I got my magnet here. We're going to test the smoke and see this 2901-9806 Horn 2903 strobe light plate combination unit in action. So right there, and we'll activate the smoke. Smoke is activated. Now we'll do the crazy code. Crazy code. There's your... I kind of do sound like you sometimes, I think. Of course, I've watched you for almost 15 years. And... serial, enter... serial, enter... mode 66, 76, which is for normal. You put 6676 sets you to normal. Your 7764 code you've seen me enter is for programming, for newcomers. Alright. I've done the Simplex before. So I guess is NewAgeServerAlarm's one of his personal favorites. Here we go. Sound distance testing here. Oh my gosh, those things are so loud. The Edwards 892 2B electromechanical horn, still with the speaker, with the sound generator getting sound through it. 2919806 horn, behind the 2903 light plate. These things are just so loud. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. I'm gonna probably get some drawback from this. Well, that was it. Long awaited but surely. That'll be it. Hope y'all enjoyed.